Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay with PayPal on DhGate. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on DhGate, click the Join Free option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, PayPal, as we all know, is a widely accepted across the globe, making it a preferred payment method for international transactions on DhGate. It supports multiple currencies, so you don't have to worry about currency conversion fees or complications. Now, for example, you're interested in a specific item here. Now, let's see with the sports shoes right here. Let me just click one item or any item that you wanted to purchase here on DhGate. For example, this one, I'm going to click on the Buy It Now button. What will happen is I would be forwarded to the, let's try another item to see what we got. Now, this, black gold chain nail dog. Let's see what we got here. Now, as you can see, when you click on the Buy It Now option, select an option. Now, what will happen is we will be forwarded here on the shipping address. But let me skip with that for now, because what's important is these are the options that you can use on paying items here on DhGate. As you can see, you can pay with a new card, and the card that you are going to use, you see, obviously you don't see a PayPal option here, right? But the thing is, all you have to do, you don't have to worry with that, because all you have to do is sign up, if you haven't done already, for the PayPal prepaid card, alright? You can use the PayPal prepaid MasterCard, of course, to shop everywhere where debit MasterCard is accepted, which is, of course, the DhGate. All you have to do is click on the Sign Up Now option if you haven't already. Now, the thing is, just fill in as much as information here as you can, and of course, you can choose a card. Alright, depending on your preferences. For example, this card right here, click on Order a Card, and once the card has been sent to you, now all you gotta do is put in the PayPal card number, expiration date, and of course the billing address. Click on Apply, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.